How do you take this networking game as? What do you think about it?
I'm not good at networking,
Mm.
or have I ever done networking.
Yeah.
All I can do is walk in, set up a meeting in a production office where I'll just go and say, this is my portfolio, this is my professional reel.
Yeah.
That's all I do. Because I'm a person who mostly keeps it to myself when there is nothing related to work. I probably can, somebody can say, have said that you live a very boring life. I said, it's not boring. I go to gym, come home, I'll watch a movie or a show.
Yeah.
And then that's also learning for me.
Yeah.
I am who I am.
Yeah.
Because that's easier for me to do. I don't think I can make a switch and suddenly the camera is on and become a different person. I like to talk a lot. I love having conversations.
Yeah.
I love to listen.
Yeah.
It's a lot of hard work. But looking at my own journey, I can say that I was very lucky as well. There's no doubt about it. And the difficult part is there's no key to crack this code. Everything that you said matters.
Yeah. Yeah.
There should be luck. There should be hard work.
Yes.
Timing should
Timing.
work. Right project, right things at the right time. Your personality matters.
Yeah.
Your
True.
confidence matters. To put yourself out there.
If we have to manifest a role for you, a character for you, which you really want to play on screen and tick off? What would it be?
Something like Tara Maheshwari in Tamasha.
Yeah. Your advice to boys in general.
Be emotionally available.
Yeah.
And get in touch with your own emotions.
Yes, for sure.
So not to be available for someone, but if you get in touch with your own emotions, you will be easily able to crack that code of how to be available.
Yeah. Be empathetic.
Yeah.
Empathy lacks. I agree. Hello to everyone who's watching us on Pop Dice. This is Amal and I'm joined by Samyukta, who is I'm assuming, rather believing, she's having a great day in Mumbai.
Yeah, I am.
How many people you have met already?
I lost a track of it.
Yeah.
Okay, I think 10.
Okay.
Good number.
Yeah, good enough for a day. How do you like Mumbai?
Loving it.
Yeah.
Bombay.
Bombay.
Let's say it Bombay.
Bombay.
I like it when everybody who has been here, lived here, would love to say it as Bombay instead of Mumbai.
Bilkul.
So I also I'm just saying in Bombay, loving it.
Yeah.
I love ocean. So yeah.
Bilkul.
Yeah. So I've spent not half of my, sorry, the first half of my 20s in Cochin, Queen of Arabian Sea.
Yeah.
Now it's just
Cleaner beaches.
Yeah,
Yes.
cleaner beaches.
Yes.
And now I can see that she's here. I'm loving that energy. Beautiful energy.
Lovely. The people, I think. The people make the city.
I have worked with a lot of Maharashtrians in different technicians, I would say. I found all of them very kind.
Yeah.
And they just started saying, like the other day I said this to someone, are you a Maharashtrian? I've met a lot of kind people. I said, how many have you met? I said, I don't have a count, but this is what I know. Everyone whom I have met have left a great impression on me.
Yeah. They're genuine, honest people.
That's
जैसे आप you were saying Bombay, I have met also a lot of people. I also used to call it Bombay only, but a lot of people say like, I think the newer generation says, oh, it's Mumbai. Don't call it Mumbai. Don't call it Bombay. Samita, I want to ask you, how does we are in a setting where everything is recorded now, everything is digital. We have to record so many things. For you also, I'm sure there's a whole team who's recording your bits and pieces, and then you post them online, or whether you're not. How is the kind of person Samyukta is when she's off camera, when she's with her own sense, like alone?
okay. Whether I'm being recorded or not,
Yeah.
I am who I am.
Yeah.
Because that's easier for me to do.
Bilkul.
I don't think I can make a switch and suddenly the camera is on and become a different person. I like to talk a lot. I love having conversations. I love to listen.
Yeah.
It's not like, okay, I have to keep talking. Here we don't have an option. You have to question me. I have to answer.
Sure.
But it's given a chance. I would rather have a conversation.
Yeah. Would like to know more.
Would love to know where you're coming, as much as like what you ask me, and I can say where I come from. I also want to know where you come from.
Yeah.
What is that experiences that shaped you?
Yeah.
And I like to know people. So I love conversations, and I think I crack a lot of jokes.
Yeah.
I'm funny.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can be funny.
Okay.
And it's kind of, my mom is very funny.
To
She
get it from her.
roasts.
Hmm.
She loves roasting
Oh,
me.
that kind of humor.
Very dark humor.
Moms, yeah.
Yeah, very dark humor,
Hmm.
moms.
Hmm.
She'll have a very straight face, but what she says will be like, okay. Just roasting. She loves roasting me.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got that. I think I got. I'm not a dark humor person, but I
Hmm.
do crack a lot of jokes.
Jokes.
And then I have a lot of expressions on my face.
Hmm.
I do a lot of. You can watch a lot of reels. So maybe if it is like an organic reel, like a piece of like my life,
Yeah.
you will find it funny.
Ah, lovely. And also you are a conversationalist, as you said. When you started your journey, did you always wanted to become an actor? Or it was just like always?
Do you understand this? No.
Yeah. Okay.
This is from Kerala, and I have this like ask me something just
You always
randomly.
wanted to become an actor? No.
So we have these gestures,
Ah,
okay,
okay.
like this, this,
And something is
and
obvious.
all that. So once it came out from me, no, I didn't want to. I didn't plan of becoming an actor. By chance,
By chance.
it just happened to me.
Tell me about
I took it up very seriously after a point. It's a simple story when I can simplify it and
Yeah.
say it. I can complicate and say
Yeah,
it also. But
bilkul.
I would love to take the other route of just simplify.
Yeah.
Let's say middle of my studies, about to join a college. I joined social media. I was not active on social media because I was very focused on writing exams.
Okay.
Finally, dressing up, going to weddings, attending weddings, took nice pictures,
Yeah,
posted it on
posted.
social media. Randomly, a professional makeup artist called me as a model to put makeup on, which
Okay.
I was not very happy about, but my mom took me there.
Oh, okay.
Once that photo, again that photo, I was like, okay, while before going in, while doing it, I was not happy, but after seeing me, I was like, nice. Then with that one picture, a photographer noticed me who was a photographer from a good magazine in Kerala.
Okay.
I ended up doing a photo shoot, a professional photo shoot for that magazine, directly into films, and that's all.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's so
There's no
so
yeah,
organic.
but that was, I don't know how to say it. Probably that experience shaped me. Beginner's luck, yes, you got a chance, but I didn't know what it was. I didn't know anything. My prior experience of taking pictures or being in front of camera was just the passport size pictures,
Yeah.
which I've taken to put on my applications, and that's it. Selfie culture was not there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So
then you took it.
yeah, I
Then
took it.
you.
I owned it. I owned it.
Yeah.
After my first film, I was completely not happy with what I had done. ऐसे क्या क्या है? ये क्या क्या क्या?
Yeah.
But after that, yes, I owned it. From the time I started owning it, and I decided, yes, this is what I want to do. I'm loving it also. Things started changing.
So now you have worked for considerable amount of time. I have a lot of actor friends, and I keep asking them. One actor friend told me that this is the most difficult profession to be in. I asked why. So they said there's no other profession where you get rejection on a per day basis when you are
Oh,
starting,
yeah.
because they'll just reject you whether you're all decked up or not. For you who's established now, how do you take this industry as? Is it more about timing where you are, or it's more about luck, 51% luck, 49% hard work, or it's just about putting yourself out there every day and not focusing about what will be the outcome?
I can. Okay, I used to be this advocate of saying it's a lot of hard work, but looking at my own journey, I can say that I was very lucky as well. There's no doubt about it. And the difficult part is there's no key to crack this code. Everything that you said matters.
Yeah. Yeah.
There should be luck. There should be hard work.
Yes.
Timing should
Timing.
work. Right project, right things at the right time. Your personality matters.
Yeah.
Your
True.
confidence matters. To put yourself out there. Like you should have that attitude of like, never downplay yourself, but rather own it out what you have done. And then never shy away from, if you want something, you should just go ask. Okay, can I do this,
Correct.
character?
Correct.
And then sometimes you might have to audition, which I'm ready for. That's my thought process.
That's good.
I'm ready to go audition for a role even
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
I'm not like, okay, it's like I've done these many 10 this films. It's not, I open for everything. And then you realize that tomorrow I've done in the four South Indian industries:
Yes. Yes.
Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam,
Malayalam,
and Kannada.
Kannada.
half a
Yeah.
film. Tomorrow, I dream of doing films in Hindi. I probably will have to walk in here, wherever I
Well, somewhere.
yeah,
Yeah.
walk in and then tell them, okay, this is my body of work. Would you be, can you consider me for a role?
For sure.
And then I might have to do, that's always there. It's a constant process. So you need to be out there and then you need to improve yourself all the time.
Yeah.
Be it your looks, be it your craft, new learning, new experiences. Yes, what he said is very right. Not just rejection, but a lot of things can come into you.
Yeah.
It can be some insecurity from some people can just put a comment on your post. It can make you feel sad about it.
Anything. Yeah.
Make you question
Yeah.
your own thought process.
Yes.
Probably you feel, okay, I did a good job, and then somebody can just walk in and say, no, you wanna. So you need to, I think it's a absolute shift to center yourself. I have done a lot of self work for
Yeah.
that.
A lot of work has to be done.
Lot of work
Yeah.
has to happen.
Lovely, lovely things, Saidi, because you're right. Countless people, countless opinions. You were talking about talking to people and asking for work. A lot of my friends says take me to these filmy parties, and a lot of friends, actor friends who are established, they say no role is offered in these filmy parties. It might open a window for a meeting, maybe, but nobody would offer you a job. And all these people are starting, they're like, take it, we want to do networking. How do you take this networking game as? What do you think about it?
I'm not good at networking, or have I ever done networking.
Yeah.
All I can do is walk in, set up a meeting in a production office where I'll just go and say, this is my portfolio, this is my professional reel.
Yeah.
That's all I do.
Yeah.
Because I'm a person who mostly keeps it to myself when there is nothing related to work. I probably can, somebody can say, have said that you live a very boring life. I said, it's not boring. I go to gym, come home, I'll watch a movie or a show.
Yeah.
And then that's also learning for me. I spend time with my dogs. I read a book, talk to my friends. And those friends are not just from film fraternity.
Yeah.
Those friends are from my childhood.
Your core.
My core.
Yeah.
Literally my
Yeah.
core. So this is what I am. And then I also find time to, then there is once that this thought comes, okay, you have done this. What can you do more? And then I'll think about it. Okay, probably this is what I should do. So the realization that I need to go and ask is not something that I had.
Hesitate.
It just happened not very recently, but
Over
of
time.
it. Audition, yeah, that I'll not shy away from any of that. But right now I know, because I it's like not just like sitting in your room and you dream of thinking that, okay, it's as easy as that. Just go, and if you get an opportunity to ask, just ask.
Why not? Why not? Lovely thing to say, and especially about the way how you live your life. I think that's the ideal way to live. I've got the signals from my friend here, so I'll quickly move to my segment, which is about asking your recommendations. So I'll ask Samyukta her recommendations. The first question: if we have to manifest a role for you, a character for you, what would you really want to play on screen and tick off? What would it be?
Something like Tara Maheshwari in Tamasha.
Yeah, bilkul. Yeah, that has so many layers.
Yeah.
Definitely. Um, mountains, beaches, or deserts? I think I know this answer, but mountains or beaches or deserts? What is your pick?
I like all of it,
All of it.
but I'll pick mountains.
Mountains. Okay, yeah. Sukoon. A skincare tip for somebody.
Drink a lot of water. A lot of water. As much as it sounds very generic, everybody will say it.
Yeah.
It matters a lot.
Yeah. The basics. Yeah.
And always go for dermat recommendation.
Yeah. Don't watch reels
Reels
and
are
put
good. Yeah,
anything
you said it.
anything on your face.
Yeah.
Okay. A movie you would suggest to a person who calls himself or herself a movie lover that ye to dekh lo. It's a must watch.
Perfect Days.
Perfect Days. Well, okay. I haven't seen. I'll watch it. Okay. An eatery in Mumbai you love.
Maharaja Bhog.
Oh yeah.
That's all I know. It's next
Oh.
to, in Juhu.
Yeah.
I've not explored much. I've been to Bastion long back.
Mm.
I've been to Olives also, but
Mm.
this is also like a couple of years back.
Yeah.
But Maharaja Bhog is a go-to place
Yeah,
for me.
and
I
it's
love that.
consistent. They
Yeah,
it's
and
the
very
yeah.
good.
Your advice to boys in general. In general.
Be emotionally available
Yeah.
and get in touch with your own emotions.
Yes, for sure.
Don't so not to be available for someone, but if you get in touch with your own emotions, you will be easily able to crack that
Yeah.
code of how to be available.
Yeah. Be empathetic.
Yeah.
Empathy lacks. I agree. An ethic Samyukta lives by.
Be truthful to myself. I live uh I don't know how to say, yeah, I'm very true to myself.
Yeah. Okay.
True to my emotions.
Mm.
If it is a no,
Authentic. Yeah.
authenticity.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lastly, your go-to perfume which you'll recommend.
Byredo. Byredo.
Why they do?
Byredo.
Byredo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Byredo, I like Velvet Haze.
Mm.
Yeah, Velvet Haze. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Lovely. It was lovely talking to you. And because we are talking about perfumes, I've got you a personalized gift from MYOP.
Thank you.
It's India's first perfume bar, which is like personalized. You can go and tell them your name and they
Lovely.
can engrave. They sent a little perfume for you and they have
My picture
they
on
put
this.
your picture so that only you can use it. Nobody else can.
Nobody can. Can I
Please,
test
please
it?
go ahead. It's called Love in
So,
Paris.
guys.
The flavor is aroma is Love in Paris.
I'm loving it. Spicy.
Ah, okay. Aussie.
Yeah. It's very spicy. Very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was lovely talking to you, and I hope to
Same
see you
here.
soon. Thank you.
Very
All
true.
the best
Thank
for your
you so
project.
much. Thank you.